So this is a quick recording on how to install Insight Timer, which is an app. You see the Insight Timer meditation sleep. Go ahead, install the app. There are so many apps which are down there. You can go there and see, but this is one of those few apps which I've absolutely got to love. The kind of sessions, the kind of guided meditation sessions which are there, with people talking in the background, or even with music. So I had it installed. I've just uninstalled it to show you what you need to do to begin this. Okay, so the app is installing there. Just give it a minute. Open up the app. Okay, you will see the start 7-day free trial. Oh no, you can just ignore it. You don't really need to go ahead and do any of this, because a lot of what you can do is completely free. Okay, so let me start from the beginning of what all are the features which you can go ahead and take care. You have the timer on. If you look at the tabs down below, you have timer, guided courses, sleep, music, kids, etc. So if you go to guided, okay, you can go to guided. You see the filter by time. If you have only 5 minutes, or you have 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 plus minutes, which you can spare, you can choose how much of time you want. And then let's say you have 15 minutes. Okay, I choose 15 minutes, and within that 15 minutes, so you can choose 11 to 15. I've got 15 minutes to spare now. Choose. You see, these all these are free guided meditations. Okay, you can choose what you want. Try out multiple stuff. Okay, do not get stuck with one of them. Try out Sarah Blondin or Jonathan Lehman or Bethany Orrell. You don't know which ones you will really like. Go ahead and experiment with them. Okay, once you, for example, once you have it, once you open up one of these guys, it will just start. Okay,
By and large, the way that we start our day.
okay, so you can either discard it, finish it. Once you finish it, it will get logged in as part of your of your sessions which you've done. Okay, now another thing which you can do is that for example, you don't want guided meditation, you only want a timer. Okay, so if you go back to this thing called the timer, you can choose. Okay, in the timing, how long do you want? 50 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes. Okay, great. If you set it for 10 minutes, great. Activity type, you want to do meditation, you want to do yoga, tai chi, you can choose that. Starting bell, choose what kind of a starting bell you want. Okay, this is amazing. This, you can choose multiple sounds which are there. Choose a sound which appeals to you. Okay, and then just go ahead and start. So in this, there is no external guiding, the guidance which is there. It's just the background music. Or if you choose a song, if you choose the jungle theme, you just hear that. So this is also an amazing thing which you can go ahead and use. Okay, sleep, for example, I've used this a lot when I'm not able to sleep, and this is just outstanding. You go to sleep, and you see there are 22 minutes, 39 minutes. You can just plug it in, use your headphones, and just go to sleep. It will tell you what you need to do, how you need to breathe, how you need to focus certain thoughts before you drift out to sleep, and things like that. If you want to now just use music while you're sleeping, yeah, you see new releases, sleep music, just choose sleep music. Again, here you have an ability to choose the length, how long you want this to be playing in the background while you drift to sleep. Okay, outstanding stuff. You can choose one of them. Okay, And okay, so right down below you have the globe. You have also called the, you see the heart emoji which is there. This heart emoji is my, once you do a certain guided meditation, you can also bookmark it. Okay, so there are several bookmarks which you can go ahead and say compassion manifesting. So these are my personal bookmarks which I use on a regular basis. Okay, and then you can either improve your sleep. So these are multiple options which are there. You can go ahead and explore it, and this is the way you can actually just go ahead and use what is available right now. You don't even need to pay anything, completely free. I've been using it for close to 2.5 years now. It's just outstanding. I just love it. Okay, wish you all the best in your journey in mindfulness and meditation. Go ahead and have fun.